We're ready to look at the clipping panel within CloudWorx. Clipping is used for hiding data so we can isolate point cloud features. This will give us a clearer view of the part of the cloud we are interested in and will also make navigating easier as we will not have other points obstructing our view. So if we wanted to draw a quick floor plan, we would want a slice that would give us just a narrow spread of the points. Let's go into an elevation view and cut our slice through the z-axis. Notice all the points outside of the slice are hidden and we only see the area we selected. Now let's go to a top view so we can get a clear look at the results. As you can see, the slice already looks like a floor plan from the points, and all we have to do now is trace over them. The Reset Clip button will return all of the points that were hidden. Open up the Clipping Manager and we see the clip that we created. We can hit Enable to have that same slice visible again. It's recommended to rename your slice so that you can keep organized throughout the project. Any new clips we create will be added to the clipping group. If you're working on a larger project, you may end up needing different clipping groups for different areas of the project. These can be added here. Different buildings or different levels of a building might be an example of where you'd want to add a new group. The clipping group has to be active when you add a new clip for that clip to be added to the group. You can also delete groups you have created within the Clipping Manager. We can also enable or disable all the clips, delete the selected clip, or delete all of the clips in the clipping group. The forward and backward buttons are also very helpful. If you didn't get the slice just right, you can use these buttons to reposition the slice to a better area. Forward brings the slice higher and backwards brings the slice lower. The forward and backward buttons are also helpful when doing cross sections on a road. So let's see what to do if we just wanted to draw the front wall. We would want to be in an elevation view, but we wouldn't want to have any points directly behind our wall for us to possibly click to a mistaken point. There are three ways we can eliminate the points behind the wall. The first is by using slice, and we would slice on the x-axis since the wall happens to be aligned this way. Another way is by using the limit box. Limit boxes are set with 3 clicks. The first 2 set the size of the limit box in the x-y axes, and the third sets the elevation. So this is very helpful to do from a view that you can see both planes at the same time. The limit box can be inflated and it can also be deflated. You can also name the limit box in the Clipping Manager. The last way would be to use the Hide Inside or Hide Outside tool. We can fence around the area we want to keep and hit Hide Outside in this scenario. And yes, we can also name this clip in the Clipping Manager so we can use later when needed. And that concludes the features of the clipping panel.